Hello my dear students, again I would like to welcome you on this e-learning class. Last video we saw word problems. If you are having any query in word problems, you can ask me, right? Or send on our another group. Okay, your queries, your problems, right? Today we will going to see the subtraction. As we know that we learn subtraction up to 4 digit, 5 digit. In this year, you are in 4th standard, you will learn subtraction on large numbers. Okay. We know, let's take one example. 352 minus 131. As you are aware about this is ones place, tens place, hundred place. What we are doing? We are arranging columns like this, right? See, ones place, how to subtract? You know very well. Ones place minus ones place down ones place, tens minus tens, hundred minus hundreds, and likewise so on. Understand? Whichever the large number, which is a large number, 352 or 131? Obviously 352. This large number we call it as a minuend. And the number which is subtracted, a smaller number which is subtracted from the minuend, we call it as a subtrahend. Understand? And while subtracting, let us subtract 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 1, 2. Understand? This is called, the answer is called, we call it as a difference. Understand? The large number we call it as a minuend. The number which is subtracted from the minuend we call it as a subtrahend, that is smaller number, and whichever the answer will come we call it as a difference. Understand? So this is a very important thing, you should know these things. Let's see how to check subtraction using addition. It's very easy. Let's see. If you add subtrahend and difference, you will get minuend. This is a checking method. Checking subtraction using addition. Understand? Let's see. What is the subtrahend? 131 plus. What is difference? 221. Add these two, you will get minuend. 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 1 plus 2, 3. 352. Is the 352 minuend? Yes. It means our answer is right. The difference is right. Understand? By this method, we can check whether our subtraction is right or wrong. Or maybe fill in the blanks, whichever there, fill the missing numbers, fill the missing digits. In that also it will be helpful for you to fill this one. Understand? Okay, let's discuss the properties of subtraction. It's very important. Likewise addition property, we saw the addition property also. Likewise subtraction also having its own properties. Okay. Let's see, we will discuss one by one. Properties of subtraction. It's very easy. Once you know once you understand the properties, it will be easy to solve subtraction. Got it? Some exercise based on properties of subtraction, so it will be helpful for you. First property, order property of subtraction. What is order property of subtraction? the order of number in a subtraction cannot be changed. What is the first? Order of a number. Order of a number in subtraction cannot be changed. In addition, we saw that order property of addition. In that, if you change the order of a number, then the sum will be remains same. But in subtraction, order of a number cannot be changed. Let's take example, then your vision will be clear. 23 minus 12. I will write like this. 23 minus 12. What is 23 minus 12? 1, 1. 11. Right? But if we change the order, if you wrote like this, 12 minus 23, it is not possible. Understand? Means if you change the order of a number in subtraction, you will not get answer. So this is the first property. Order of a number in subtraction cannot be changed. Understand? This is the first property. Second property means we cannot write here like this. 23 minus 12 is equal to 12 minus 23. The answer is 11 here. Here no answer. Understand? So this is the property number 1. Now next property of subtraction. These are very important property. You can write down in your notebook also and on chart also. Second property is subtracting a number from itself gives a difference 0. Subtracting a number from itself gives a 0. Means what? Very simple. If we subtract, for example, 23,435 minus same number I will write 23,435. The answer will be 0. Means if we subtract a number from itself, means if the same numbers if we are subtracting the same numbers, the answer will always becomes 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. 100 minus 100, 0. 3,400 minus 3,400, the difference is 0. Means if we subtract a number from itself, the answer will become 0. This is our second property. Got it? First property, order property, we cannot change the order. Second, if we subtract a number from itself, so we will get 0. The difference will be 0. Next property, when we subtract 0 from a number, when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is, what will be the difference? The difference means the answer. Difference is the number itself. Let's take example. 2,35,012 minus 0. What will be the answer? We will put 0 here. 2 minus 0, 2, 1, 0 as it is, 5 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 as it is. Means the answer is the number itself. Understand? So answer will be 2,35,012. The number answer will be the number itself. Understand? These are the three very important properties. Learn, write in notebook. Understand? It will help you. So understand the properties. These are very important properties. And now we'll see if we subtract 10, 100, 1000 from a number, what we will get, and how to subtract immediately. See, we saw when we add 10, 100, 1000 in a number, if we add 10 in a number, the tens place number will increase by 1. If we add 100 to a number, the 100 place number will increase by 1. Understand? Likewise, in subtraction, if subtraction of 10, 100 and 1000, so if subtraction of 10 is there from a number, let's take example. Suppose a number is 23,430 minus 10. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. See, what will happen? Subtraction of 10 from a number. So tens place number. This is a tens place number. Which is a tens place number? 3. It will decrease by 1. 3 minus 1. 2. See. If we want to subtract 100 from a number, given number, so 100 place number will decrease by 1. Understand? 1000 is there, then 1000 place number will decrease by 1. Got it? Understand? How to subtract 10, 100 and 1000 from a number? It's very easy, it's an oral thing. Right? Sometimes it will help you in solving problems. Got it? Now, this is very important. Some students still having problem how to subtract if the zeros are there. Let's see. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, suppose lakhs place. See, it's very important. Some students are still confused how to subtract, how to borrow some numbers. See, suppose 52,000 0 0 are there minus 1,492. Still some students are confused how to subtract from 0 0. Understand? So what we are doing, we are borrowing from the neighbor. 2 0 minus 2 possible? No, because 0 is less than 2. We cannot subtract. So how we are borrowing? This 0 will borrow from his neighbor. अगर हमारे घर में मेहमान है and sugar is not there, so मम्मा बोलेगी क्या उनको? अरे सॉरी जी, हमारे घर की शुगर खत्म हो गई, हम चाय नहीं बना सकते, माफ करना. ऐसे बोलेंगे नहीं. What मम्मा is saying? मम्मा will call you. मम्मा आपको बुलाएगी, बोले ए वो आंटी के पास जा, बाजू वाली आंटी के पास, और वहां से शक्कर लेके आ. Understand? Same here, he don't have money. So what he will do? He asks his neighbor, "Arey yaar, I need money. Will you give me?" But he also don't have. He said, "Okay, I will give you." So he asked his neighbor. He borrowed from his neighbor, but his neighbor also don't have. So he said, Okay, I will give you weight. So he asked to his neighbor, 2 having money. So 2 become 1. This 0 become 10 here, but that he has to give it to his neighbor. So 10 become here 9. So he is 10. Again he has to give to his neighbor. So here also 9. And now here what will come? This 0 and this borrow 1 means 10. Now 10 minus 2 possible? Yes. 10 minus 2 8. Now 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 4 possible? Yes. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 5. And 1 minus 1 0. And 5 as it is. Now see the difference. Now I check. I said how to check whether our answer is right or wrong. This is called which end? Which we are subtracting larger number, that is minuend. And the number which subtract smaller number, we call it as a subtrahend. And what will be the difference? The answer, we call it as a difference. What will be the difference? This is the difference. Answer is the difference. Right? How to check? If I told you, if you add subtrahend and difference, you will get minuend. And if you will get minuend, then you can say that your answer is right. Let's check orally. 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1. 10 plus 9 plus 1, 10. See here, 9 plus 0, 9, carry 1, 10. 10 ka 0, again carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, carry again 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 0, 2, here 2, here 5, 5. Means our answer is right. Understand? By this way, we can complete our subtraction. Understand? So, today we saw how to do subtraction, their properties, how to add 10, 100, 1000, right? Go through this. In next video, we will see the exercise based on this subtraction. Okay? Till then, thank you.